In this video, I'll show you how to pass the third declension. There are going to be 4 nouns on the third declension. One that's going to be third masculine feminine, one that's going to be third masculine feminine I stem, one that's going to be third neuter, and one that's going to be third neuter I stem. It is critical that you learn how to identify which noun falls into which declension pattern. The first one here is mons, montis. It's masculine, so it's going to be masculine feminine, and then I also need to recognize that it is an I stem. The easiest way is just remember which nouns that we know are I stems. Mons, montis, vestis, vestis, venus, venus, hostis, hostis, kiwis, kiwis, and nawis, nawis will be some common ones that will show up that will be I stems. So I start with mons, and then I have to change to my base, which would be montis. My dative singular is monti, montem, monte with an E. Sometimes it's an I, but most of the time it will be an E. Nominative plural montis. Here's what makes it an I stem. The genitive plural is montium, dative plural montibus, montis, and montibus. Now I'm going to look at what our next word is. It is mare, maris. This is the only neuter I stem we know. On every one of the CPs, you will have mare, maris. And it declines as follows. Mare, maris, mari, mare, because of the neuter law. All nominatives and accusatives are the same for all neuter nouns, pronouns, and adjectives. The ablative singular is always mar-e. There's always will be an I there for all neuter I stems. Nominal plural is Maria with an IA. Since it is an I stem, it has a genitive plural of IUM. Maribus. And again, neuter law. The accusative is going to be the same as the nominative, Maria. And then Maribus. Our next is going to be pes, pedis. This is going to be masculine, so it's going to be third declension, masculine, regular. So I start as pes. I change my stem to ped. So it's pedis, pedi, pedem, pede, pedes, pedum, pedibus, pedes, and pedibus. And then our last one is going to be a third neuter regular, walnus. So I start with walnus, then it's going to be walneris, walner-e. Now I have to change it back to walnus because of the neuter law. And remember to change back to your stem walneris, and so it's walnere for the ablative singular. Walnera, walner-um, walner-ibus, walner and walner-ibus. And that is how you pass the third declension.